If you want to create a side hustle or you're at home and want to make some money, this video is for you. In this video, I will share 15 digital products that you can make at home only once, and guess what? Earn money from it. These digital products can definitely be these digital products can be sold on different platforms like Etsy, which is one of the biggest platforms that you can use today, Creative Market, Creative Fabrica, and as I go through, then I will tell you which is the best place to sell these items. Not only that, if you stay tuned for the end of the video, I will share the 3 that I use that have been working for me. So let's go. First things first, it's the most obvious one, YouTube. YouTube is one of those sites that you can use to create passive income. As a matter of fact, there are Jamaicans and persons in the Caribbean, obviously overseas persons, them have it. But I'm talking about persons in the Caribbean that are making over $100,000 just teaching persons or doing pranks, doing lifestyle videos, doing something that they're passionate about. So if there's something that you're passionate about, don't sit down on it, go and create a YouTube channel. If it is that you don't want to show your face, don't show your face. There are so many different videos that you can create that you do not have to show your face. As a matter of fact, you can go on Fiverr and find persons that can actually create videos for you, and all you need to do is upload them to YouTube and gain your passive income. So number two is digital templates. Digital templates are so good, especially if you're an entrepreneur. If it's some people are just super busy and they don't have the time to sit down and write stuff. Not only that, some people don't know how to do it. So if it's already done for me, why won't I take it? Or you can create different forms of digital templates. There is social media templates that you can create where people can use on Instagram, on Pinterest, all of those sites, and all they need to do is plug in their information in it and use it as if they were the ones who created it. Here's the first one I ever created, and I use it for my Etsy store. So guys, I have to interrupt the video because I have to put a disclaimer. Please know that none of these products that I am sharing with you is rich quick products. 1, 2, these are products that I have actually gone into researching and seeing that they are lucrative products that you can sell online and make passive income or make money online as a side hustle or even as a full-time job. There are persons out there that are making over $10,000 US a month. There are some that are making it a month, and there are some that are making it per year. 10,000 US for Jamaican is $1 million. So listen, do not expect to come on this channel and find rich quick items. I have seen them. I have gone through multiple videos. I've wasted my time on so many different things that I would have done online at home and have not seen actual results. So I compiled this list to show you products that you can use to make money online from home. Again, anything that you see here, you have to put in work. You have to give value. You have to provide value to customers. You have to niche down. You can't just create something for everybody and expect it to work. Okay? Anyways, let's get back to the video. Number 3, if you're a graphic designer and you're good at creating graphics and clip arts, then you can create these graphics and clip arts and upload them to Creative Fabrica or even Creative Market. All of these, I'm going to list them in the description box below so you can go on them and log on and use them. Okay, so you can go and create those graphics, those clip arts, and sell them online. You can bundle them and sell them in 25s, 100s, 5s, 10, even one single graphic, and people use them. Remember, there are people out here that use these graphics to do prints on demand. Those shirts that you see, guys, with the little logos on them, they never just, someone had to create them. So you can create graphics and clip art that can be used for that. This one is for the photographers. So if you're someone that take good photos, and if you have a good camera, you take good photos, then you can use that to create money. you're sitting on money, honey. Okay. How do we do this? You can create stock images or mock-ups that people can use with their products. So mock-ups are things like these that people use with their products to showcase their products. Or you can make stock images and upload them to Shutterstock, Creative Market, or even Etsy. Number 5 is for the persons who actually have good handwriting skills, that are good with calligraphy. As a matter of fact, there is this girl I see on TikTok, and I'm telling y'all that she's so good at it. I don't understand why she doesn't create her own fonts and sell them online. So that's number 5, fonts. So fonts are pretty much, you know, what you use when you're using Microsoft Word or you're using any type of online platform. They have fonts. People actually create fonts and sell them. Y'all heard me? If you go on Creative Fabrica or Creative Market, you can find inspiration for these. Remember to stay tuned for me to share the 3 that I use and have seen the benefits of. Number 6 is actually one that I've done before, not to sell, but to just create for different purposes. Ebooks are so easy to create, guys. You can use Canva, you can use Microsoft Word. There are so many different platforms that you can use to create these ebooks. If you're good at something, passionate about something, you know how to teach something, create an ebook talking about it. For example, blogging 101, how to create a YouTube channel, how to cook a meal. You can create recipe books, create it and monetize it. Speaking of ebooks, I have an ebook that you can download that is 10 digital products that you can sell on Etsy starting today and make some money. You can actually create ebooks on Canva. Canva is a free website plus app that you can create your ebooks on for free. There is Canva Pro that has exclusive graphics and features that you can use to even optimize your ebooks and make them even more profitable. If you want a 14-day free trial, all you need to do is click the link in my description box and get your 14-day free trial with Canva Pro. Number 7 is a bit similar to number 6, but it's actually e-courses. So if you are good at something, if you're passionate about something, if you can teach something, you can actually create courses that people can follow and make money. And courses can be anything, guys. How to become a successful social media influencer, how to sell on social media, how to create an e-commerce store online, how to do this or that, how to do drop shipping. The possibilities are endless, guys. One of the things, as I mentioned, drop shipping, this is not necessarily a digital product, but it does have a digital aspect to it, and that is print on demand. So print on demand is when you see those cups and those shirts and all of those items that you can basically create your graphics, upload it to a store, they do the shipping, packaging, everything. All you need to do is create the graphics and send them. Some websites like this are Printbest, Printify, and Printful. Some of these sites don't require a startup fee, so you can start with $0. Number 9 is business card or logos. If you're good at creating graphics, then you can create business cards and logos and sell them to persons. How do you sell them digitally? You can sell them on Etsy. Number 10 is a coaching service. Oh, coaching services can be coaching for anything. Life coach, business coach, social media coach. I've seen fitness coach. There are so many different coaches that you can be. All you need to do is offer your services. Offer your services for something that you are good at and make money. I hope you're enjoying the video so far. If you are, then comment below if you have heard any digital products that you want to do, or like or share with someone that would love to hear this information. Number 11, digital planners. Digital planners are a big hit on Etsy. people go hard for digital planners and digital stickers. So you can create these and they can be used on iPad or even Goodread or GoodNotes. Don't remember the name, but it is a very lucrative business. All you need to do is find a niche that it's not overpopulated already and create your digital planners. That brings me to number 12, digital trackers. Digital trackers are ways how people can use to analyze mood, track how the eating habits that they have, track their weight loss, track their fitness, track. Just track anything. You can create digital ones and people will buy them, print them from their home and use them. Honestly guys, the possibilities are endless when it comes to digital products and what you can create. So number 13, if you've made it this far, then you've made it to what I do, and one of my favorite things to do actually. Number 13, Amazon KDP printing books online. This is a book that I created digitally, but as you can see, it's in tangible form, and guess what? I make money online from it. This is one of my books. I've created multiple books, selling them on Amazon and making money from them. As a matter of fact, in my next video, I'll be teaching you how easy it is to create your books and sell them on Amazon. Please note that nothing I share here is a get rich quick kind of thing. You have to put in work to see the results. Okay. Number 14 is kind of a bonus because it's similar to number 13, but it's actually creating printable pages that people can use to do something. For example, a printable coloring page for a child, a printable activity page for a child, printable pages that teachers can use, printable pages for journals, printable pages for journals where people can actually go buy them digitally and print them themselves, which may be cheaper in their eyes. That brings me to number 15, and it's not the final one because I still have one more for you. Number 15 is affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is pretty much you endorsing a brand. You don't necessarily do the selling, but you endorse a brand. You get a unique link. When people go on these links, they actually earn money from it. When people go on these links and purchase, then you earn a commission. You can pretty much do affiliate marketing with almost every website. So if there are websites that you use frequently, like Amazon, which I know some of you go on and buy stuff, use your Amazon, share the links, sign up for the Amazon affiliate program, share the links, and then make money. Some of these sites actually you have to go through some approval, but I mean they're not so much, they're not very tedious, and you can do it from here in Jamaica. So make the money, honey. And 16 is actually a bonus. It is selling digital printables online. All these three that I've listed in last are things that I do. I actually do others too, but these are the most successful ones that I've done. Digital printables, you just create it once and sell them on platforms for your money. So for example, I do digital printable wall arts like this one. No, I create the graphics for it, I sell them on Etsy, people buy them, print them at home, and they're good to go. Yes, I hope that this video was useful and it helped you to find the products that you want to create at home to make some passive income. Finally, let me know in the comment section the products that you are interested in creating and making money online from. As a matter of fact, if you are interested in selling on Etsy, you can get 40 free listings by clicking the link in my description box to get your free 40 free listings to start your digital store online. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, comment, share, and see you in my next video when I will teach you how to sign up and create an Amazon KDP book. See you guys next time. Bye.